Number 8, the dot plot shows the favorite sport to play according to some middle school students chosen at random. Okay, so here's our dot plot. And when we look at our dot plot, we notice each dot is 2 students, so that's important. If 8 more students pick soccer for their favorite sport, how many students will need to pick tennis so that the ratio of soccer to tennis remains the same? So since I'm dealing with a ratio, I'm going to set up my proportion, soccer to tennis. Okay, so I need to know how many kids pick soccer. Well, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots, but each dot's 2, so 12 kids pick soccer. How many kids pick tennis? Well, I have 1, 2, 3 dots, but each dot's 2 kids, so that's 6 kids. So my ratio is 12 to 6. If 8 more students pick soccer, so we're going to take the 12 and add 8. So 12 plus 8 is going to give me 20 students. How many of them are going to need to pick tennis for my proportion to remain the same? Well, we can cross multiply and divide, but you can also see that 6 is half of 12. Okay, so if I have that same ratio, what number is half of 20? 10 is half of 20. So 10 students are going to need to pick tennis. Okay, so sometimes you can see the relationship in your proportion. If you can't see the relationship, then cross multiply. 12x is equal to 6 times 20. So 12x is equal to 120. Divide by 12, and 12 goes into 120 10 times. So we need 10 kids to pick tennis for the ratio to stay the same. All right, number 9. The dot plot below shows the number of runs scored by 2 softball teams in each game this season. Which statement is best supported by the information in the dot plot? So here we have the Eagles and we have the Pumas, and we have how many runs they each scored. All right, the first one, A, says the team that always scores at least 4 runs is the Pumas. So if we look at the Pumas, all of their dots are 4 or bigger, so that's true. Okay, the Eagles played more games. Well, they should play the same number of games, but count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 games. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 games. So the number of games is the same. So B is not true. The median of the Eagles is 5. Okay, so for the Eagles, cross off your high and your low, your high and your low, your high and your low, till you get to the middle. They have a median of 4, which is not 5, so C is wrong. Okay, the Eagles usually score at least 4 runs. Okay, well here's 4 runs. Okay, is all of their data over there? No. So the one that's going to be correct is answer choice A.